Descriptions of this product make it sound like the best, most awesome mini heater in the world for small or nano aquariums. Are these claims true? Let's find out. Unboxing and features. This is what comes in the box with the heater. With an awesome set of instructions. We have the heater itself, well protected, attached to the controller. Operational details. 4 different wattages, 10 watts for up to a 5-gallon tank, 25 watts for a 5 to 10-gallon tank, 50 watts for an 8 to 15-gallon tank, and 100 watts for a 10 to 26-gallon tank. The heater works with 110, 220, and 100 volts alternating current. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Its operating temperature is 59 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 34 degrees centigrade. The cord is 1 foot from plug to controller and 4 foot 4 inches from controller to the heating rod. The heating rod is about 4 1/8 inches long by 1 1/8 inches wide for the 10 and 25 watt versions, and 5 1/4 inches long by 1 1/8 inches wide for the 50 and 100 watt versions. The smaller heaters will fit nicely into nano tanks. They work well in my specimen containers when I'm hatching eggs or raising fry, as shown here. I've got to tell you, this heater's features sound awesome. It's a great LED display and works with centigrade or Fahrenheit, a temperature controller that restores setting after power failure, automatic shutoff when water is low, an explosion-proof quartz heating tube. I did notice that the tube is filled with sand. I think that is one of the reasons for this claim. Plus, the sand should help the heater not burn the fish. And it comes with a safety control to prevent overheating. These features do sound great, don't they? Let's find out if the claims are true. Setup and controller tests. First, let's see how easy this thing is to set up. We have the heater here. We have our super strong suction cups. Attach it to the tank, keep it below water. Plug it in. Here we go. It's on and running. Easy to set up. So far, so good. Installation's easy. Now let's look at the controller. Here is the temperature display and the light to heat that indicate that the heating element is on. It's red, indicating that it's heating right now. To change this from Fahrenheit to centigrade, hold this button down for 3 seconds. Centigrade. Change back. Hold it another 3 seconds. Fahrenheit. Now to change the temperature setting, all we need to do is press this button till we get to the temperature we need. If the temperature we want to set it to is lower than this, but in this control range, then once we get to 93, we press it again, we get to the bottom of the range, and then we set it to what we want. See, it's blue now, showing it's the heating element is off. Now I'm going to hold that. If I just hold it, leave it there, it's going to tell me what the current temperature is. So that should still be off. Now if I raise it to 88, of course it's going to turn on, and I don't know if you can see it, but now that red LED light is lit, showing that this is now active. Is this easy? Temperature is fairly simple. I did check the temperature, and the temperature that is on the display is consistent with the thermometers that I have. Another feature is supposed to be that it remembers the temperature setting after it loses power. Power off. Power on. Give it a few seconds. Boom. How is the heater doing? Easy installation. Check. Switches between Fahrenheit and centigrade. Check. LED display showing current temperature and if the heating element is on. Check. Restore setting after power failure.
Check.
So far, it is awesome. Next, does this thing actually heat? Heating tests. Does this thing actually heat? I've tested this. The heating is very good. Does it heat? Check. Next, does this heater get so hot that it would actually burn my fish? I'm going to test it, touch it, and find out. No, it's about the same temperature as the water. So that's good. Won't burn the fish? Check. Next up, does it actually shut off when the water is low or when the water temp is high? It's coming up next. We're going to find out. Before that, if you like this video or find it helpful, please click the subscribe button and like this video below. Please support this channel at Patreon or buy me a coffee. I have links to my Patreon and buy me a coffee pages in my video description and in my channel page. Depending on the level of support, supporters will have access to extra content, weekly chats, and will be listed in the end screen credits of my videos and in the video and channel descriptions. On Patreon, I'm giving you a 1-week free trial membership just for signing up. Run dry protection. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see if this thing will turn itself off if it detects that the water temp level is low or none. So I'm just going to slowly pull it out. See what happens. There we go. Look at that already. Wow. That's so awesome. Run dry protection? Check. Just think of how much money you will save by not having to buy a new heater because it cracks just because you forgot to unplug it before lowering the water level in your aquarium. Next, does it shut off when the water temp is high instead of cooking your fish? Let's find out. Overheating protection. I have some 98-degree water here. Let's see if the heater shuts itself off when it gets to 95 like it's supposed to. With the error message H8. So that 93, 94. Yep. Perfect. Awesome, awesome. Overheating protection? Check. What do I think? Is this the best nano heater? The worst? Or somewhere in between? Is it the best or the worst nano heater? Before I give you my final evaluation, more information on this heater. This heater only costs $18.99 and shipping from Hygger is free in the United States. That's about the average price for a heater. You will save much more than that by not having to pay for a heater that broke when you forgot to turn it off when you are doing a 50% water change. I have a link in the video description you can use to go to the Hygger website to purchase this and other Hygger items. As a Hygger affiliate, I earn from qualifying purchases from Hygger. I also have a coupon code in the video description for 5% off of all your Hygger purchases. What do I think about this heater? Does it live up to the claims? Let's see. Easy setup? Check. Easily switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius? Check. LED display that shows the current water temperature and if the heating element is on? Check. Memory restore setting after power failure? Check. Does it heat? Check. Won't burn the fish? Check. Run dry protection works? Check. Overheating protection works? Check. Yes, it certainly lives up to the hype. I do think this is the best mini or nano heater you can buy. The next time I need an aquarium heater, I'm going to get this or another model from this line of Hygger heaters. I have a playlist of my beginning fish keeping videos here. Here's my next video. You can find a playlist of all my videos here, and you can subscribe to this channel by clicking here. Thank you for watching.